Well, today we're going to talk about that universal subject, pooping. You can't get a group of van dwellers together before the subject of poop comes up. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my next video. In this video, I want to talk about toilets, composting toilets, and a video that Bob Wells just made on cheap RV living. He just reviewed a toilet called the Boxio. It's available on Amazon. And the Boxio is a funny little thing. It's a little box that you can poop and pee in. On Bob's channel, he says that it is the cheapest composting toilet that you can get, and that may be slightly true, but I know of a way better solution that we've been using for over a year now, and it is only slightly more than the Boxio. The composting toilet solution that I'm talking about is the Throne composting toilet. We have been using that in our school bus for about almost a year and a half now, and I absolutely love it. It is well built, it is easy to use, it is very good looking, and I just like everything about it. There's no smell. It's just a great solution. And if you're thinking about getting a composting toilet for your RV or your rig, don't buy the Boxio, buy this one instead. It's worth a couple extra dollars to get the Throne composting toilet system. The Throne composting toilet is not a turnkey, ready-to-go system. It does require you building a little enclosure for it to go into, but the work is worth it, and this is a much better solution than the Boxio. When I saw Bob's video about the Boxio, I said, I gotta make a video about the Throne composting toilet. It is by far a way better solution than the Boxio. It holds much more volume, so you're not having to dump it every other day. It just works really great for us living full-time off-grid in our bus and traveling. It is a great solution. It also has a vent fan, which the Boxio does not have. No way to vent out the fumes or the air that's in the thing. It only has a lid that is tied on with paracord.
I think the thing to do would be to go from the top down. Then you can see there's a hole here. It's gone through this hole, and you have to go now through this hole. And then you're going to tie a knot to hold this thing on. Will that work? Yeah, that's it. Good grief. I think this is really poor.
And I'll show you a couple clips here and there from Bob's video of the features of the Boxio and compare it to the Throne composting toilet. Before I get too far into things, I want to switch over to a video I recorded a while back about unboxing the 3-gallon Throne pee jug, which is absolutely awesome. A 3-gallon jug for your composting toilet is certainly a good size. It is excellent for us where we don't have to dump it every day. It's more like every 2 to 3 days. We have 2 people using this toilet, so if it was just a single person, it wouldn't fill up quickly at all. You would only have to empty it every 4 or 5 days or something like that.
Hey, Bob.
Hey, Ellie, what's up?
Hey.
I'm excited about a new thing we got. I gotta open it right now. The light's not good. It's the end of the day, but this just came in the mail.
The battery's dead. There's so many things that are wrong with this.
The camera battery is low. We had it attached to an external battery, but I had to bust this open as quickly as humanly possible.
Because you're just so excited.
Because I'm so excited about this product that we just got in the mail. This is an addition to our Throne composting toilet. Oh man, look at that. Holy cow.
Ooh.
That is a 3-gallon pee jug for the urine diverter that's going to fit in our Throne composting toilet system. That is awesome. It has a lid so we can like transport it if we need to. This is freaking cool. This is like very heavy duty. I mean, that is like thick plastic. This is not going to break.
Can you show me the shape of it?
And from what I hear, this is going to slide in and out of the box that we've built really easily. Super easy to take in and out, so you can empty it, no problem at all. Man, this is made like really well. That is crazy. One thing that this does lack over the old container is that it doesn't have a level filler, like a level alarm on it, but it's so much bigger too. This is like a full gallon bigger. If you empty this every 2 days, you're going to be in just perfect shape. So I'm gonna take the old pee jug out of the thrown composting toilet, and I'm gonna put this new one in, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get it all put in and all cleaned up and emptied. There will be no nothing in the toilet when I get it all put in. So it's a perfect place to install this new thrown composting toilet pee jug. Woo! Are you excited, babe?
So excited.
Yes! Now I'm going to show you the way our toilet looks as it is. It's been like this for about 1.5 years now, and we absolutely love it. Let me show you around a little bit in our bathroom. This is the kitchen of our school bus, and let me walk back into the bathroom area. We have a little curtain that separates the top here, and this is our master bedroom area, and the bathroom is right back here. As you can see, right over here, we have our thrown composting toilet. It is freaking awesome. Over here on the side is a great little thing I got on Amazon. It holds a roll of toilet paper on the bottom and some wet wipes on the top if you would like to use those. We really love that thing. But the thrown composting toilet, this is our setup. This has a 6-gallon bucket inside to hold all the solids. It's a little bit tall, so we use these yoga blocks as like a squatty potty type of thing. We can rest our feet on there when we're using the toilet, and it works just perfectly. Over here on the side, we have a bucket of pine pellets. This is pine pellets that have been hydrated, and we find this to be a really good solution. We used peat moss for a long time, but it's not a sustainable solution. This is pine pellets that have been hydrated. All I have to do is put some water on it, and I can just wet these up, and it expands into a nice biodegradable cover for the solids. This is what you will put in the toilet after you go number 2. Around here on the side of the toilet is the vent fan. This goes to the outside of our bus and goes through the window, up and out over the top of the roof here. That takes care of all the smells that may come from a toilet, and it actually works better than a house toilet. There are no smells that come from this thing at all. The fan is always running 24 hours a day. It has been for 1.5 years that we've used this toilet, and we have no problems with it. That fan is always on, always running, always taking care of any odors that may come from this composting toilet. Here on the outside of the bus, I wanted to show you the vent stack for the toilet. It looks kind of like a wood-burning stove or something like that. I built a little panel right here out of wood for the pipes to go through. It just goes up and out, and I got a little rain cap on the top, and it works so well. And I actually kind of like the look of it. It's kind of like a little wood-burning stove look, and I think it looks really cool on the side of the bus. Pretty neat, but it takes care of all the odor in the toilet. But I'm going to open the lid here so you can see what the inside looks like and the urine diverter inside. So the back section there is obviously for the number 2. Number 1 goes up front, and I'll lift the seat up a little bit here so you can see what the urine diverter totally looks like. It is very, very nice. This is heavy, strong material. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick, the thickness of this plastic. It's been custom molded by Throne, and this is such a heavy material you could stand on it and it won't break. It's really incredible. The 3-gallon jug is directly underneath here where all the urine drains into, and then a 6-gallon bucket in the back, which you can put a liner in to catch everything for easy disposal. This thing just works excellent. I would highly recommend this over the Boxio any day of the week. That does it for this video all about pooping. I just wanted to make a video to tell you a better solution than the Boxio. The Boxio does not look like the right solution for me. Maybe if you want something that is absolutely turnkey. I looked it up on Amazon and the price will be right over here. I looked up the Throne on their website and their price will be up right over here. I just wanted to give you a comparison and another solution to the Boxio. It just doesn't look right for me. And just to be clear, Bob didn't recommend it either. He thought it was a little bit janky.
The quality of this thing seems very suspect. Yes, you're paying half the price, but boy, it's nowhere near the quality of even a $500 composting toilet, much less a $1,000 composting toilet. The material just isn't very thick. It's thin. It flexes, and the fact that they couldn't even give you a hinge, they gave you paracord as a hinge. That just seemed silly to me. Altogether, the quality is very, very suspect, and it's certainly not a $250 item.
Anyways, check out the link in the description of this video if you want to get your hands on your own throne composting toilet. It comes with the urine diverter, the vent fan, the bucket, the urine jug, the plans to build the enclosure, everything but the toilet seat. You'll have to add your own toilet seat, but it's kind of cool because you get to choose the toilet seat that you like the best. So anyways, thank you for watching this video all about poop. I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll talk to you later.
Bye
now.